Today's topic for a lecture is inheritance in a C++. It is most important feature of C++. Now let us see the definition of inheritance. Inheritance is a process in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of its parent object automatically. In such a way, you can reuse, extend or modify the attributes and the behaviors which are defined in the other class. Now let us see some concept related with the inheritance. The class which inherits the members of another class is called as a derived class or a child class, and the class whose members are inherited is called as a base class or a parent class. Now let us see the advantages of inheritance. First and most important advantage is code reusability, means we can reuse existing code for another purpose. Now next, types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Let us see the different type of inheritance in detail. First type of inheritance is a single inheritance. Single inheritance is defined as the inheritance in which a derived class is inherited from the only one base class. Means there is only one base class, and from that base class we can able to derive a single class. Here A is a base class, from A we derived the next class. Now next see the next types of inheritance is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is the process of deriving a new class that inherits the attribute from two or more classes. Means there are two or more than base classes, and from that base classes we can derive a single class. Next type of inheritance is the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is defined as the process of deriving more than one classes from a base class. Means there is only one base class, and from that base class we derived number of classes. Here A is the base class, from A we derived three different classes B, C, D. Next type of inheritance is the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another derived class. Means B is itself a derived class which is derived from A, but it is work as a base class for class C. B is a intermediate class. Next type of inheritance is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the combination of more than one types of inheritance, and here is the example of hybrid inheritance. Thank you.